I don't even know. I don't know where to start with this video. I have to quit, guys. Like, there's no, it's just too stressful to continue doing this, right? I've been doing this for so long now, and I just felt I felt I was getting it. I thought I was, making progress. But I've got to quit, so I quit my job. Gotcha. I quit my job. So I'm going full time into trading. So maybe I got some of you there. I have already announced it on social media platforms, so maybe not. But going full time into trading with CMP Trading, with the room, with the members, giving out so much free content. This profit you see on the screen on my free funded accounts, these levels, so you can cut, so you can see. I mentioned in here 372s on the queues. So what did I say yesterday? I said yesterday, watch 372s at 12:30. This morning, where do we come down to? Where do we come down to? Just for here we go, 372s. That was my long entry. Okay, absolutely fire off that entry, and you can see the profits, that we made this today, basically over $3,000 this morning. Okay, so lots of free content in here. 160 members in the room now, which is just incredible. Getting people, each day coming in here, good 10 to 15 people. So pretty amazing to see. We do have the free Thursday, so people can sign up to the form and they can submit their interest for the free session on Thursdays, where I go live, exactly the same as what I do every single day with the paid members, the tier 2 and the top tier people. So exactly the same. I just want to create some sort of scarcity in terms of a limit on how many people we do get in, because I don't want to have like 200-300 people in here all watching. So I want to create some sort of scarcity, and I also want people who are actually paying attention to the free chat room as well. I don't just want people coming in here on a Thursday and trying to just profit on one Thursday, not paying attention to any of the actual free chat in the week. So yeah, I thought I would just go over that quickly. But yeah, great news, right? So I have fully quit my job now, and I can go into doing this full time. So it's incredible news. It's about 7+ years in the making. One day I'll probably write a short sort of story on my sort of progress. Maybe do a YouTube video as well to go through some of the the peaks and troughs. Definitely lots of troughs, but we each time we get stronger on those troughs. So I just want to say I'm very speechless in terms of the progress, but it seems like a natural progression for me to do this. It allows me to spend more time with my members in the room. It's a win-win for them. When I'm doing good, they're doing good. It's reciprocal. We help each other. And again, I think it's a win-win. If you can get paid for something that you love to do, it seems incredibly stupid to not to do it, right? So if I can provide content and my members get good, valuable content as well, it's a win-win. And I'd like to say, I don't want thousands and thousands of people in the room. I want to create some sort of entry to barrier, because that involves people who are actually interested in the room. So I'm probably going to end the video there. I didn't want to keep it too long, but really happy. Again, I'll probably make a video highlighting some of my the best points and the most sort of not so nice sort of points in terms of sleepless nights, thinking, can I do this? Is this a viable sort of job to do, etc. I'm sure all of us have been there in terms of trading. It's very hard to get that message across for people who aren't into trading, because obviously it's very hard for them to understand, it's just candlesticks, it's just levels, it's just prices. But as traders, we kind of know the psychology behind it. As soon as you want to give in, the market does exactly what you want to do, and vice versa. Although all of those things I've been through in terms of, max frustration, and now that's kind of what I trade on. I try to wait for that max frustration and then enter, as opposed to trying to get in too early and getting torn up and then entering and it finally working out. So I will say thank you all for watching, and if you would like to subscribe to the channel, it would be much appreciated. And if you do want any of the free content, again, the link will be in the description below. Completely free. There's no duration or limit on the trial. You can stay in the room for as long as you like. Free on Thursdays, exactly what the premium guys get, and there is a free chat as well. All the other channels are pretty much viewable, apart from the main chat and the live stream channel. I just don't think you can send messages and stuff, whereas you will be able to do that on the premium service. So thank you all for watching. It's been, just a massive thank you for all of the congratulations and messages on the Facebook pages and also my main Facebook. It's been quite overwhelming to get that much response from people. So again, really grateful, really happy and appreciative of all the comments. I know I have tried to actually message back every single one of them, but I know it's not as, personal actually speaking to those people. So take this video as me saying a personal thank you for those comments. It does really mean a lot for me. Again, it's been as it is for every trade, it's been a very difficult struggle to get where I am. I don't come from a very wealthy family. It's predominantly me, doing basically starting this myself and just trying to, hit the ground running sort of thing. But it's hit the ground running has been a 7+ year process throughout university, throughout working weekends, throughout working night shifts, throughout working all the way through university, etc. This is not a woe is me. It's just kind of nice to take a breather and kind of see the hard work has kind of paid off. And I'm probably still, at such a low point in terms of where I, want to be in 10, 20, 30 years time. I probably only just have my head above water, right? Just above. So we've got to keep that momentum, keep the dedication and the motivation, and just keep on doing what we're doing. So I hope to see you in the room if you are a trader and interested in what we do. And if you're just an observer watching for the sort of the success or the celebration, then again, thank you very much for your time. So other than that, guys, I will see you all in the new video.